G'day guys, it's Ralph Mayhew here, and today I'm going to show you how you transform the aspect ratio of a 16:9 video, this, to something like this. This is 9:16, and you'll need this if you want to repurpose a video for social media such as Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, a TikTok video, or a Facebook story. So to do this, we're going to use VideoProc Converter to change the aspect ratio from a 9:16 to a 16:9 using a video I want to repurpose for social media. VideoProc Converter makes changing the aspect ratio of video extremely easy, but it also gives you over 26 other functions for editing and tweaking videos to your needs, including rotating, flipping, speeding up or slowing down, increasing and decreasing the volume, adjusting the color, using so many of these creative presets to get exactly the feel that you're after. You can even tweak it with these slider bars. You can add subtitles, you can cut your video up, you can even put on a watermark. You can stabilize your footage, it's so simple. You can get rid of that fisheye effect that nobody wants on their videos, or you can even decrease the noise of your video if you've had to use a high ISO. And a bunch of other amazing options that you can get into today. There's a link in the description below, but for today, I'm going to walk you through quite quickly and effectively how you change the aspect ratio of your chosen video. This is the VideoProc Converter interface. You simply click video, which brings up this window, and into here you load your video by clicking, dragging, and dropping. It loads instantaneous. There you can see my ugly mug ready to go. And this is where we simply go to crop. If we go enable crop and come down to here to the presets, we simply go down till we select 9:16, and that gives us the vertical window that we're all familiar with. And if you look on the right hand side, you can see the preview of that window, and we are going to put it nice and central on my face. There we are, it's good to go. It's as easy as that. You simply press done, choose where you want to send your video, select use high quality engine, and away we go. This will take literally 10 seconds, and once we're done, it'll bring up the file for us to open. And there's our video. Let's see if it worked by double clicking on it. Press play. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you change the aspect ratio from a 16:9 to this, a 9:16. I hope it's been really helpful. If you have any questions, we'd love to answer them in the comments below. You can download this program via the link in the description. Please subscribe. Thumbs up will be lovely, and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.